guys. So the other day, man, I got caught in a freaking hailstorm. I put a clip right there for y'all can hear it. I haven't had time to look and examine my truck for damage. And it doesn't look like there's any damage from the hail or anything like that. I can tell you the truck is freaking filthy, bro. Look at my wheels. I literally just got this clean yesterday. Like, it is filthy now, man. Look at that. Exhaust sound good though. Yes, sir. So there doesn't appear to be any damage, which is a good thing, but man, it came down hard, guys. Luckily I found a tree. This side is even worse. Gosh, it's dirty. Luckily I found a tree I was able to pop under. So that was good. But anyway, I was mainly worried about my windshield, because as y'all know, I just got my windshield replaced and re-tinted. So I was really worried about that getting busted up again. Right now I'm on my way to my guy, Mr. True Vision Photography himself, Caden. He is actually hosting a meet for reaching 100,000 on Instagram. Congratulations to you, bro. That's major. I remember when I first met Caden, he just had an eye for it and he was hungry, bro. Like, that's what I liked about it. He had an eye. He just knew it looked good. His pictures and videos are dope. Y'all go check him out. And he was hungry. Like, you hit him up, hey bro, let's shoot. He like, all right, down. No excuses, no nothing, like, let's do it, you know? And he had that hunger. So I'm not actually surprised by his success at all, because the dude was just hungry, bro. His work speaks for itself. He has a great eye, man. So y'all go check him out. So he's doing like a little meetup, and I think they're gonna be riding motorcycles actually, but we're just gonna go show support. I'm gonna meet up with Dion, then we're gonna go over there. So anyway, I'll see y'all in a bit. We got Dion the Master on the camera. Let it go. All right, guys, so we popped up the Caden meet here real quick, man. I just pulled out, I was gonna vlog, but then I decided to put the iPhone real quick just to kind of catch some footage before everybody roll out in here in a second. But we got a nice Ford, we got a Gixxer, we got a beautiful Coyote right here. This thing is freaking dope. The color is nasty on it. Dang, it looks really, really good. And he got a Ferrari right here. I'm not sure which one it is. I think it might be a 488. Hey, it's 488 Dion, you know? I don't know. Dang, it's clean though. Gosh. Look at the wheel. What size tire is this on the back, bro? It is a, I don't know what size tire this is. Probably 325. Oh my, bro, look at the engine on the carbon. That's FS90. Yeah, that's new. That's new. Yeah, that's new. Yeah, that's brand new. Yeah, that, bro, this car is it. Who driving this? What car is this? I need to know. You see how the carbon in the engine bay? You want to see it? I do. You see the carbon in the engine bay though? Oh, the whole engine bay. And then that's the SF90. I don't know what this is. I think it's like a 488. But dang, this thing is clean, bro. So this was at Cars and Coffee today. So look at the carbon wheels, G. This thing is beautiful, bro. And you, of course, you got all the bikes out. We got a Ducati Panigale V4. Beautiful bike. My goodness, bro. This thing is freaking gorgeous. We got ZX10. You know, we got another Gixxer. Got S1000. Got an R1. That's a beautiful R1 right here. I really like that color combo. I see it a lot. Mez bike ZX10 right here. And then you got another R1 back there. So you got tons of bikes out here, guys. Y'all can see you got another Ducati right here. You got another S1000 over there. And then, of course, you got Caden's car, Mr. True Vision itself, his ZL1. Y'all saw me gap this car a few times on the channel. Hey, I'll tell him how I gapped you, Caden. No, I'm playing. This thing is clean. Actually, I did not gap him. He actually gapped me twice, or 3 times, or 4 times. Every time we raced, he gapped me. Carbon on the hood. 2013, I believe. 2013 ZL1. This thing is freaking clean, bro. And of course, you got my guy. I forget. I'm gonna have to put his Instagram in here for y'all. Chase NoHo. He on, actually right now, he was just talking about himself, I forget, but he on 37 26s by 14s, bro. This thing is so freaking nasty. This thing is clean, but he actually said he's about to go 24s by 14s, and I think he said he's gonna go 36s instead of 37. And he got my other boy right here. He is, I'm not sure what his setup is. I know they both run in spacer. I think he on the 2-inch spacers. I think he on 2-inch spacer, but this thing is freaking wide, bro. I love the way this thing sits, man. He on Versa tires, on some Archon off-road wheels. This thing is, what size tires are these? 36s, 14.5s, 20, I think he said 26s. But yeah, these two right here are nasty, bro. Eon joint, and you got red right here, parked up. And of course, more bikes on bikes on bikes. Now this cafe thing, that thing right here is pretty neat. It's pretty neat right there. Wide body Scatty over here. That says we got the wheel run place on there. Show y'all, bring it around. Sheesh, on some Nittos. I think it's clean, bro. If I would get a car, this would probably be the car for me, I ain't gonna cap. Really like this shark thing over here. So y'all, here you go. Follow IGs, I always try to tag the IGs. There it is. But here, look at this right here. I really like that. That's dope. That boy got the GoPro on here and everything with the welds. Sheesh. This thing clean. Man, it's clean. Y'all check him out on IG. Yes, sir. That thing is nasty, boy. You can hear the Pro Charge on there, too. Sheesh. Look at this thing. I forget. He told me what year it was, but I forgot. This thing sounds ridiculous, bro. I think he said, I know he got motor work on it. And then you got my guy 6.2 DK right here. You got Madison running from the camera. So they got the carbon wing on the front. Oh my God. This thing clean. The tire on the back. Y'all know who he is. Definitely go check him out. Go watch see his Cadillac. The thing is freaking clean. The V he has is dope. I didn't hear it, bro. Nah, I'm fucking with you. Sound nasty. She go. Female driven. We got Kobe joint right here. Y'all know Kobe S1000. This thing is nasty, bro. One of the best looking ones I've seen in a long time. Y'all go follow him, bro. Dang, that boy sound nasty. Ride safe, bro. Yes, sir. Oh, we got the vet. Sheesh, my boy. Dang, that thing. Oh yeah, go ahead, get more. Yes, sir. Oh, he wanna hear it again. It sound good, I know, don't it? It sound good, bro. Sheesh, this thing's loud, my boy. Yes, sir. My bad. There you go, the man of the hour. You gotta start this one time so they can hear this joint. I don't know if they heard it. I'm telling y'all, this thing is so loud, bro. I mean, like, video don't do it justice, like, for real, man. Yes, sir. Now we out rolling, man. Supposed to be going to get some rollers. Some videos, not videos, some photos of the foreign trucks together, but we got separated from the groups, of course, because we these big trucks. We done made our own little thing, baby. We outside. Ooh, that boy, them Chevy sound good, boy. baby. Okay. We outside acting today. Uh-oh, got another one. We gotta watch these trucks make a U-turn. 3-point turns only. 3-point turns only. I can do this. That's funny, bro. Oh, shit, bro. Go ahead. Big wheels and tires, boy. 3-point turns only. Ooh, Mustang sound good. It's kind of dope, I ain't gonna cap. And we not speeding, we not breaking the laws. We just going. There's just a lot of people though. It's so wide, dog. There go all the bikes up there. We can never get too close to the bikes. This is what it's all about. You bring everybody together, bro. Cars, bikes, trucks, and you have a good time. That's all I'm talking about. Bro, you whipping this big. I'm like, damn, you slaying it, bro. It's shit fun, ain't it? If I had somebody filming this for me, it'd be lit. But it's just solo dolo. Woo! Okay, my guy, with no shirt on. Hell no. This is crazy, bro. We out here in these big old trucks. Hey. Trying to keep up with these cars, bro.
Great videos, all of y'all coming down the ramp.
What year is this?
22.
All right, guys, so I'm about to hop into 2022. I got to show on the back because he told me the name. Hold up. AMG GLE 63S, so it's S. Huh? Oh shit, I just locked it. Hold up. Okay. Dang, look at the screen. This screen is massive, bro. This all glass? This the whole screen?
Yeah, that's the whole screen.
Bro, that's like 20 inches. All right.
Yeah, if you want to let the seat back so you can comfortable right here.
Oh, over there on the door?
Yeah, just push the bottom back. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, right. There you go.
Oh, okay. Bro, this thing is nasty. Look at the seats, bro. Look at this, man. AMG stitch, I don't know what it's called. You said start it? All right. Brake. Hold on, you got this. What's the beeping?
The door open.
Oh, okay.
I'm in the phone real quick.
Oh. How you turn it down? Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
Whoa. This it? Yeah. Look at the screen, bro. That sounded quiet though. What this do? Oh my God, man! Look how much stuff is in here, bro.
It wasn't off long enough for her name to pop up.
Her name pops up?
Yeah, normally when you start it, her name will pop up on the screen.
Hold on, man.
Touch screen so you can scroll through.
A touch screen. Hold on, I'm scared to touch something in here. So this is touch?
No, that one.
Oh, this is touch screen.
Yeah, so you can. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is nasty, bro. It's smooth too. Oh my goodness, performance. Look, I went straight to performance. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Have you messed with this stuff at all? This is Ivy's car, by the way, huh?
Play with it.
She said play with it. I'm scared to even touch something.
Let me give you a hint.
Uh-huh.
So, look right there.
Yeah.
You see what they look like over there.
Oh, that's exhaust note.
Look, and then what look.
Where is that on the
So push
screen?
it
Oh,
up.
there you
There
go.
You see it, Chan?
Oh, okay.
You can turn that knob.
Hey.
Oh,
And
okay.
it's one more mode out the sport.
Bro, individuals. Oh, slippery. Okay. Exhaust.
That's exhaust.
That's exhaust.
Oh my
He
goodness.
said, "Oh my goodness."
I know, right? It's so deep and throaty, bro. The engines, I don't even know what mode the engine is, bro. So what's she in, comfort? Oh,
There you
sport.
go.
There we go.
There you go. Then look.
Race. I know it's louder. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah. They got the burbles. Dia said he even got the burbles. Hey, Rabbit, why I get that from the back?
Okay. Ready?
Yeah. Wow. Bro. An SUV shouldn't sound like that, bro. Like, that's ridiculous. And what size tire you said? 22-inch wheels.
These are 325s.
325s, bro.
Yeah, 325s.
God, just for perspective, that's bigger than the tires on my Camaro. They was 305, I think. These are 325. Like, these things are fat. Fat. Golly, bro, this thing is ridiculous. Woo. Golly, bro, this thing nice. I can't even talk. The screen, though, that is nasty. I'll just go wrap the video up. Thank y'all for coming watching that. I don't know where it was or how it came out, but we had a good time, man. Shout out to my guy, Caden, again. Mr. True Vision for reaching 100,000 on Instagram, bro. Shout out to you, and again, congratulations. Make sure my camera up over here. It's KickinitwithQ. I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.